Okay, next product I'm going to review is Bobbi Brown Long Wear Gel Eyeliner number 27 Caviar Ink. Okay, this is a packaging. The Caviar Ink shade is almost a blackish brown if I'm not wrong. Like the name, so I purchased it. I think I'll use this very fine eyeliner brush. Use your fingernail so it won't dry out too quick, because if you contact with your skin directly, it will dry out really fast. So to avoid this eyeliner from drying very quickly, utilize your this is really smooth. Anyway, utilize your fingernail from, keep it away from drying real quick. I got the eyeliner ready, and I really like the formula. It's really smooth and creamy, easy to apply, especially when you use this kind of very fine brush. If the formula is really hard, you won't be able to draw very thin and sharp eyeline. But can you see this eyeline is really sharp and crisp? I think it's really worth purchase. Although it's pretty expensive, but I really like this product. Well, let me grab a wet tissue. Okay, let me see if it's really waterproof or not. I have a facial mist and my fingernail here. There's still eyeliner on. Well, almost nothing. I think it's pretty waterproof. Yeah, it's almost nothing, so I think it's pretty waterproof. Yeah, I'm really pressing it hard to remove it, but it's still on my fingernail, so I think it's really almost waterproof or smudge proof. I might be collecting more shade. It has this caviar ink, and they also has a black ink, more brown shade, and blue also has it. So I think I'll purchase a black and blue if I really like this product. Let's see how it goes, and if I purchase these two eyeliners more, then I will review them too. Next is lip products. I have 4 lipsticks from Bobbi Brown. I have 1 lipstick from Makeup Forever, then 1 lipstick from NARS. This is a holiday packaging, but the color is the usual color. You can find it all the time. So let me try this Bobbi Brown lipsticks first. I purchased 2 crushed lip color, 2 classic lip colors. It's always exciting to see the new products. Okay, this is the number 4 brown, and this brown lipstick is named after Mrs. Bobbi Brown, if I'm not wrong, and it really has that beautiful black and gold case and Bobbi Brown logo on it. It looks kind of like a Chanel. Okay, so this is not magnetic case, but it really feels luxurious. It feels nice. Kinda mauve, pink, nude, brownie. Number 9 Burnt Red. It's really sexy. Well, this is brown and this is burnt red. Burnt red is seems to be more muted browny red, and this is more seems to be like a pink nude brown, I think. But I think most of people will like this kind of color because it won't bring down your complexion and entire look. This is really natural pink nude brown shade, I think. Actually, you know what? This brown lipstick really beautiful. I mean, really, it's beautiful. It's really beautiful color. Isn't it looks like just my own lip color? It's really beautiful shade. There's nothing more I can say. It's really beautiful nude brown color. Let me see how the burnt red looks like. Okay, next color, burnt red. Okay, so let me clean those edges. Wow, this burnt red is really beautiful. It just really brighten up my face. You know, if you are someone who looking for a classic red color that just looks like a Marilyn Monroe would wear, I think this is it. You should go with this burnt red color. This is really beautiful shade. I think there's no similar shade from MAC or NARS anywhere. It's just really beautiful lip color. Can you see this color? Oh my god, I'm so excited. It's really beautiful shade. It makes my teeth looks more whiter. Okay, anyway, let's move on to next lipsticks. Okay, this shade is plum and this is cocoa. We'll show you how this color looks like, but first color is cocoa. The color is more light and sheer than the original lipstick. It's almost like a chocolate brown, and the plum I think I already own this kind of colors from NARS. Color is pretty similar from Gypsy, I think. This is Gypsy from NARS, and this is Plum. I think they are pretty similar. I can tell the difference that this Plum is more reddy and Gypsy is more browny. So if you're looking for a brown red color, then you should try NARS lipstick Gypsy. But if you're looking for more brown red, then you should try Bobbi Brown Plum, I think. Let's see how this cocoa color looks like. Color payoff is pretty sheer. Okay, so I'm applying, but I cannot see much color. It's very sheer lipstick. I'm not complaining, but it could have been more pigmented. But I think this kind of cocoa shade is really bring down my complexion right now. Unlike the burnt red color, it was really uplifting, but it's really bringing down. So I personally don't really like this color, but it might be better for someone who has more darker skin. So far, the least favorite product that I purchased. You may like this color, but not for me. By the way, I also have this Luxe lip color from Bobbi Brown. It's a liquid lipstick. It has a really high shine. I will review this product soon as well, but just not today because I didn't purchase it. I didn't purchase it in recent. So let me try this plum color. It glides almost like a lip balm. Let me try Gypsy on upper lips. I can tell more clear difference since it's on my lips now. This NARS lipstick Gypsy. This is Bobbi Brown lip color Plum. Crush lip color Plum. This Gypsy is more browny and it's more muted red color. And this is more vivid red color. NARS lipstick, if I'm not wrong, is a sheer lipstick, and this Crush lip color, not so sure what is the exact formula they call. Feels like almost like a semi-matte finish, and this is really buttery sheer finish. But definitely NARS side is more pigmented. It's more rich in color pigments. So I think I don't really like this two Crush lip color. So if I need to find the sheer or glossy lipstick, then I'll definitely go with NARS lipstick, especially the sheer formula. Mix them together anyway. And this Crush lip color, it has really weird smell. It's almost like a detergent. The Bobbi Brown, the original lipstick, it smells like, this is more smell like classic the Rouge smell. But this Crush lip color, I don't know, it has a really funny smell. It has plastic. Let me smell NARS lipstick. It's almost like a citrus smell. Okay, I will purchase the classic lip colors, but the Crush lip colors, I don't think so. And next, NARS. This is the NARS Holiday Collection. It's a audacious lipstick. And audacious lipstick, okay, since I'm working for NARS, I'll tell you what is the formula. It's really the luxurious lipstick formula at NARS, and it's really strong and high in color pigment and the richness. Just one swipe will give you the full coverage. And the shade is Mona. I can really tell this Mona lipstick is one of the most popular shades among this audacious lipstick range. And this, look at this golden case, isn't it so beautiful? I have this regular NARS lipstick and this is audacious. And I really appreciate this magnetic case. It's a magnetic. See how luxurious it is. It's so, you know, I also like to play like this. It just keeps swiveling. Bobbi Brown lipstick is just a cap and it's not magnetic. And original NARS lipstick is not magnetic as well. It looks rather more, it's more on the cheap side. Really, can you hear this? I have these two more lipstick. This is from Etude House and this is from MAC. And MAC lipstick also feels a bit on the cheaper side. And this Etude House, although the pricing is much more cheaper than NARS, if you purchase one NARS lipstick, you can purchase two of these or three maybe. And the casing is magnetic as well. It feels pretty expensive. And let's see how this color looks like. See this really full color payoff. This is also somewhat different color than burnt red. I think Burnt Red's more uplifting, but this Mona shade is more relaxed. This is pretty cute lipstick as well. Mona. At the NARS official, they describe this color as mahogany. I think I know where to get the mahogany term. It really looks like mahogany color. It's almost like a chili red, but it has a very rich in brown. I think I can wear this kind of color almost every day. It looks more relaxed. If Bobbi Brown feels more lighter side, NARS lipstick is more on the heavy side. Not that I'm saying the formula or lipstick is heavy, but the feeling is more, you know, there. By the way, the smell. Okay, there's almost no smell. A little bit of citrus fruity smell, I think. Okay, so finally the last lipstick review is going to be Makeup Forever Rouge Artist. Yeah, Rouge Artist, and the number is 104. Well, I used to work for Makeup Forever back in Korea, and they had the time the name was Rouge Artist, and they changed to Artist Rouge. Now they changed back to Rouge Artist. Did you know that Makeup Forever lipstick packaging is pretty unique? It's almost like lady's finger vegetable. Assemble them together. So actually it has more control, like this, like a pen, almost like a lip brush. I think this is pretty unique. I really admire their creativity. I'll give an applause. This is pretty impressive lipstick. So let's try if the formula is also impressive or not. It's natural, but it can look more fantastic if I have more reddy or pinky eye makeup, but it's more of a brown neutral side, so I think it's just harmonizing together, some synergy effect, but it's just harmonizing together. I think it's just natural side. Well, by the way, I really like the case and the packaging. It's so innovative. Who thought of this idea? Is the lip brush. This is a lip brush they call. And I really like the formula, by the way. It's pretty pigmented. It really looks smooth on the lips. It really fills in every lines on the lips. How do you think? I think this is about it, and I really love the product that I purchased with my own money. Okay, so I think it's time for me to pick what is the best product so far. Okay, the 5th place is this Becca Ignite Liquid Highlighter. Okay, the reason why this took the 5th place is it's really heavily scented. Although I like the result, it's really beautiful, but it's really heavily scented. I cannot smell it anymore, but it really has a strong perfume inside. Oh my god. Okay, let's move on to the 4th place. The 4th place is NARS Laguna Bronzing Powder. It really has that golden glow. I really like this product. It's really beautiful. And it has a very light shimmer and gold. It has a very light golden shimmer, so it really can create the natural looking complexion that looks just so, you know, healthy and smooth. But there's nothing much I can talk about because this is so popular among everyone. Anyway, previously there was only 2 shades, but there's now 5 different shades. Depends on the region. Wherever you are, it might be still 2 or 4 shades. In Singapore, there's 4 shades currently, and this is a 2nd shade, Laguna, the most popular shade, and also the darkest shade that can address more darker skin complexion. The 3rd place, Makeup Forever Rouge Artist. I think I'll purchase more colors so I can try out and see what are the colors that looks like. But in Singapore, Makeup Forever Academy and the Pro Store, they just moved out a couple of years ago, I think. So there's no way for me to purchase more colors. I want to purchase the black color if possible. Case and the formula of the lipstick is really beautiful. So overall, it's really satisfying product. I'm pretty happy with the purchase. The 2nd place is this Bobbi Brown lipstick. This is a classic lipstick, and the shade in number 9, Burnt Red. Just now when I applied this first product, I was like, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. I just simply lost my word. This is so beautiful lipstick, and the color is so stunning. You should definitely try this lipstick out, and I think you're gonna love this product, just like I did. Love this color. Okay, so since I love this lipstick, then which product took a 1st place? It's Shiseido Diafude. Okay, I just remember the name. It's Diafude. It has the jelly tip applicator and it has a brush here. It's just really effortless to blend every makeup product, particularly a foundation. I've been using this brush. It just gives me really quick and fast easy application, foolproof. Everybody, try this brush out. It's really nice brush, and what's more amazing about this brush is it's crafted in Japan. Bobbi Brown, Meg, NARS, and where else? Many other brands producing their brushes from China. And I don't personally really try to collect Chinese production brushes because I'm always skeptical about the quality. But this handcrafted in Japan, reliable. I'm really happy with this brush. This brush is deserved to take a first place. So far, this video was about the reviews of the product that I purchased and how do you think about this makeup look and the product I used today. Happy with the purchase, except this 2 Bobbi Brown Crush lipstick, but overall it was a really good spend, and I love to spend money, and everybody loves to spend money, and I can be more creative by using the product that I purchased today. I really wish this video was helpful. I will take more tutorials and videos by using these 2 Smashbox eyeshadow palettes. Well, stay tuned for more. Okay, so this is the end of the video. I really wish you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you soon with more tutorials next. Stay tuned and I'll see you soon.